What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to do another video on how to install
Pack in the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, just on the deal.
local beauty supply, crazy hoe, invincible styling gel. Yep, got to be good. And you just put it on your edges. Put it on your edges. And make sure it's on there real tight. So now I'm just applying another layer of got to be glue on my hair because I want my lace to really be stuck, y'all. So make sure your lace is tight.
The glue is on your edges because you don't want your edges to be showing. Because you know why? Because we're using the weave edges, okay? And we're going to put some edges on there. So we're going to make some edges and we're going to make our edges. We're not using our edges because our edges is going to be under this cap. Yep.
So y'all, it really feel like the lace is really melting on my forehead. So it's gonna feel like a really hot type of feel on your forehead because of course it's a blow dryer, but it's gonna really feel like it's melting on your forehead. I don't know. I'm not used to doing lace fronts or something, but it takes very long for this stuff to dry on your forehead. And I'm just gonna tell you the truth.
What's poppin', YouTube? Yeah, when I can't win. Yeah. Got the white scissors. I'm really being bomb today. Yep. So I cut the cap open. I had to cut this out, y'all. Okay, apparently it's not working, so let's just do it like this. Okay.
It's cut right, y'all. And I got a middle part, so it's just like everything. So I have to adjust it first, y'all. I gotta adjust my hair. And what come in the wig is what come in the wig, it have a drawstring to tie your wig up. It got 1, 2, 3 clips to go under your braids, like when you braid your hair up, or just to make sure it's strapped up, So I'm sorry if I'm kind of urban, but y'all, I'm a tomboy and I don't know nothing about wigs for real, but we need to see what we doing. So let's go ahead and put this right there, right over there. Yep, and just keep it like that. And once you want it, you get some got to be glue. the black kind, or you can use the yellow kind if you want to, but I would refer to the black kind, so I'm gonna use the black kind. And you just glue your hair, glue this under your wig, so your wig can be stuck to the cap. So let's go. Let's do this. Use your blow dry. Blow dry it for real, because like that heat be hurting my head, y'all. And I'm gonna cut like this off, so when I make my edges, it can be slayed. I'm gonna get cute in a minute. Hold up. I know y'all like, ooh. So let's just make sure your wig cap is just stuck to this. Ain't made no edges yet. Put it down over it, like right there. Don't let your hair get nappy, because like me, I don't know how to take care of her that good, so let's just cut some of this lace off, because we don't want all it. We don't. We really don't. What is all it for? It's really unnecessary. And this time I'm going to do my edges this way. And then just grab some more of her. And then go like this. And do it like this. So let's go ahead and get started. On a second. Rough my edges. Let's go to the other edges. Scarf on it, so my scarf for my edges can be dry, you know. And then I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back. This is how it turned out when I did it by myself. This is how it turns out. I just got done flattering it. Well, flattering on this side, but this is how it turns out though, y'all.